Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. After Rakhi, we have a lot of sweet and chocolate boxes lying around here and there. So in today's video, as I've told you earlier also, I am going to share amazing ideas which you can create using these sweet and namkeen boxes. The video was getting lengthy, so I decided to post it into two parts. This is the first part, but before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So move to our first DIY. I am using this type of sweet box. This DIY is really very unique and beautiful, but very easy as well. Cut the box after marking. I cut two boxes in the same pattern. The next step is to cover them. I covered one with the pink sheet and for the another one I used white sheet. Spread the Fevicol properly before pasting the paper. Cut the corners and always make various cuts around the edges so that paper can be folded in the desired shape. As here you can see. Now our box is covered and prepared. Now I have taken 3 strands of macrame and making a braid. I prepared 2 like this. Now I am taking a piece of wire. You have to fold it like this so that it can hold the beads. Put the beads into it and fold it again. I am taking these artificial flowers. First of all, pasting the braids as handles with the help of hot glue. Arrange the flowers first and now paste with the hot glue at desired place. Use hot glue with care. It might burn your hands. And these are multi-purpose as well. You can use them as gift bags and decor pieces. Now I'm pasting the beads wire. How beautiful this gift bag is looking. I'm just in love with it. For the second one, which I have covered in the pink base, I am using handmade paper flowers. The link of all these flowers I will share in the description box. First paste the handles. You can use jute rope or ribbon as well for the handles, or even you can use the glitter sheet. After arranging the flowers, paste these. If you do not have wire and beads, which we have used in the previous DIY, you can use these sticker beads, which I am using here. On the handle, I pasted a glitter sheet strip and a butterfly. How beautiful and amazing these paper bags are looking. No one can even imagine that these are made out of waste sweet boxes. I hope guys you like this DIY. If you really do, then don't forget to like and share the video with your family and friends. The upcoming DIYs are also going to be very interesting, so watch the video till the end. For the next one, I have cut this sweet box in heart shape. First mark and then cut. I am using white paper to cover it. Don't forget to spread the glue or Fevicol. It will give the nice finishing. Now I am fixing these aluminum foil rolls inside it. I am pasting this piece of fabric around it, and after that this leftover black lace over it. On the lower part I am pasting jute rope. You can use it as a key holder, or you can arrange your cords, your ear plugs into it, or even your stationery items you can put into it. I am going to use it as key holder, so I am using these old keys and hang them outside it. This DIY is just simple and can be used in various ways. I just loved this. So guys, I hope you liked all the DIYs we created today. This one is my favorite. Please let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. Please friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the notifications of my newly upcoming videos. So see you soon with more amazing crafts. Till then, better take care of your health. See ya. Be crafty. Bye bye.